Hey everyone, so guys, this video is going to be much special because it's the part 2 video on how to prepare for your 11th and 12th grade in terms of your academics, in terms of other aspects. So over here, I'll be focusing much in terms of academics, and if you have not watched the part 1 video, please do watch that first and then come back over here. Okay, you'll find all the details in the playlist. Do check it out that first and then come here. So now, how to prepare for your academics? As I said earlier, academics is not everything in your 11th and 12th grade or in your first PU and second PU, but what really matters is first important thing is that first important aspect is you must have good grades, such that because that is going to be a lifeline for getting into a good college. Okay, for that you have to get pretty good marks. So but it doesn't needs you to become a complete bookworm. Okay, try to understand the concepts, try to understand a very meaningful way. That is very important. Now I'll share with you few important quick tips which you need to keep in your mind while you're preparing for your academics in terms of 11th and 12th grade. So, and I wish that my seniors, my super seniors and people would have been told me about this. Now as I'm teaching for students based on my experience and other things, these are the few things which you need to keep in your mind. First thing is about question paper. Question paper practice is very important. It's very important, means very important, because the more you practice with the question papers, that too chapter wise, more advisable. So from one chapter you're taking, in this chapter wise, this many questions were asked from previous years. If you constantly practice on that base, it's going to be very helpful, because you will know on what kind of questions they're asking. So it's like before you go to any war, you should know who exactly is your enemy. I hope you have watched Bahubali movie, right? You've seen the war scene, before going to war, they plan very well. They sort it out very well. Similar way, before you go for your exam, plan it out in a such a way that you are going to tackle out any kind of enemies. So who is your enemies in exam? It could be the questions. Okay, any kind of questions you do not know. So majority of the aspect plan with the question papers. So all the toppers, they all practice with the question papers first. First important tip. Second important tip is about, I can refer you can also use guide. Okay, guide and handbook. Textbook reading is good, okay, but for certain kind of subjects you cannot go always with textbooks. Handbook is required. In such cases, I've already mentioned it in my previous videos, so do check it out in that basis, so you can consolidate. That means that you need to go very much brief. Exam days you cannot go sit and read everything in your textbook, so you have to make your own notes, key points, mind mapping, few formula techniques, how to remember it, how to recollect it. So I am telling you, don't always carry the book in your hand. For example, you might be playing or something activity you will be doing. Try to recollect those kind of points. Okay, that is going to really help you out. Now, the third important tip is, try to finish your entire syllabus within one or 2 months before your exam. For example, if your exam is on the month of April, Jan, Feb, try to finish it as possible. But to be honest, majority of the students doesn't finish it. But then to koi baat nahi, do your level best. Okay, every students will have a plan. Okay, they have to finish within February, but simply some students do it, some students will not be able to do it. But still, if you are in that page, have a constant practice and try to finish as early as possible the syllabus, and then you'll be very peaceful. Exam days, just revision is important. Nothing new to study actually, just revision is very easy. It's like, for example, first time I'm asking you to make masala dosa, you do not know anything. You're looking YouTube, you're looking into your fridge, you're looking into your vegetables. It's like a new thing, but later with constant practice, what happens, constantly, if you know how to make it. With first trial might be failed, second trial might be failed, but constantly if you do it, you will know very automatically how to prepare it. It's as simple as this. Okay, aapka exam bhi, it's this type itself. Try to understand the concepts very well, try to finish the syllabus within 2 months. I did this for my students and I've done it for myself. Even when I was in PU, this one, it has worked for all my students. Do the same technique, it's going to surely help you out. Now I want to tell you the fourth important aspect. I was reading this book called as How to Live by Brentic. Okay, so now in that he introduces one particular aspect called as embrace your life. Do not shy away from your death. That means that death is coming for you and for me. It's natural. We all should die one particular day. But what really matters is that embrace your present moment. Take it as a challenge and then enjoy this present moment. Don't think that exam is your present world. No. Okay, enjoy this moment. Whatever you're doing, enjoy it. Plan systematically. Keep it small targets. Try to wake up a little early. Do little studies. Do little kind of meditation. Calm your mind. Have a very good network with friends. Good network. Positive network. Have good rapport with your teachers. So these are the few important quick tips which I want to share with you, and one important aspect which I shared in the previous video is also same: participate for as many competition as possible and develop your skills. Natural. Okay, so these are the things which you need to keep in your mind while you're preparing for your 11th and 12th grade. So I hope this is the basic life guide, important tips for your 11th and 12th. I've tried to consolidate in a very nutshell. So I'll be not uploading much videos on this particular aspect, only on based on your demands I'll be putting up the videos on it. So more I'll be focusing on different kind of videos. It could be about how to prepare for your college, this one college interview basis. So no, that is also very important. Okay, for example, you have planned after completing your 12th grade to study in a very good college. It could be in NMIMS, Christ, or it could be in National Law Universities or any college. So start preparing for that also parallelly now along with your 12th grade. That is also very important. So I'll be uploading more videos in that content too. But if you want any kind of content regarding second PUC, do let me know in the chat box, or you can mail me out. My Gmail ID is pawanss, pawanss102 @gmail.com, or preferably text me on my Insta ID, pawan.ss. Get in connection to me. I'll be really glad to help you out. I can also make contents regarding your doubt or something like that. So more on that. That's more about this particular video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Wish you all the best and enjoy this moment. You will do it, yeah. Nothing is impossible for you. So wish you all the best. Good luck.